Alright, just wanted to show you how to adjust your wall trimmer clippers. If you have a corded style like I've got, I've had these for years. It still works great, but sometimes it makes a real loud noise. Right now it's kind of silent, so there's a little screw on the side here, like that. You can adjust it to get it a little quieter. So yeah, if you get a real loud noise like that, just adjust this screw on the side there, turn it to the left, not too much because you want it to still have the power to trim the hair that you need, but just get it in that little sweet spot right there, and that'll solve your belligerent noise problem. So yeah, I wanted to show you that. Hope that helps you out.